Hey, what's going on YouTube? My name is Holden Blaze, and today I'm very excited to share some Kaspa news that is sending price higher. I believe this news is absolutely massive and almost as big as a tier 1 listing. We are already seeing the price of Kaspa start to react to this news, and I honestly think the pump is not over. I think with this news behind us, we can easily touch 20 cents, and I would not be shocked if we touch 20 cents this week or next. In my eyes, Kaspa is as bullish as ever, and that is because Marathon Digital announced today that it's been actively mining Kaspa. This is absolutely massive because Marathon Digital, for those who do not know, is the largest Bitcoin mining company in the world. This is a company worth $5.5 billion, and it attracts a ton of retail attention from stock investors. This is a stock that has been mentioned on Wall Street Bets multiple times, and that is largely due to the fact it becomes quite popular in crypto bull markets. In crypto bull markets, Marathon tends to rise just like every other cryptocurrency, and it can rise in a very dramatic way, causing more people to get interested in the stock. Because of all of this, Marathon Digital is known by many people in the world of stocks, and I know for a fact that most people have no idea what Kaspa is. Most people who are invested into stocks have never heard about Kaspa before today, and honestly, I would say most people in cryptocurrency still don't know about Kaspa. Yes, it's all over crypto YouTube and crypto Twitter. However, the average Joe who's maybe invested into Bitcoin and Dogecoin has no idea that Kaspa exists. I think this news release today is going to draw a ton of attention onto Kaspa in the most positive way possible. You see, Marathon Digital basically just outlines for the first couple bullet points why Kaspa is such a good cryptocurrency and why they decided to start mining Kaspa. This is exposing a ton of people who are in the stock market to Kaspa for the very first time. And in fact, Marathon Digital is comparing Bitcoin to Kaspa in many ways throughout this press release. This is putting Kaspa on a super high pedestal next to Bitcoin, and I honestly cannot think of more bullish news besides smart contracts or a Coinbase listing. This is absolutely massive, and I think it's the first domino to fall in a long string of events. I honestly would not be surprised if other Bitcoin mining companies start to look towards Kaspa, especially because Marathon Digital is finding success in mining Kaspa and is profitable. In fact, they have no plans to stop mining Kaspa cryptocurrency, and in fact are doubling down on their bet later this year. They're looking to buy 30 more machines starting in the third quarter to mine Kaspa, and this should allow their hash rate to grow even higher. This will put a lot of pressure on these other Bitcoin mining companies because in theory, Kaspa is going to net much more multipliers than Bitcoin. It has a much smaller market cap, and that means it's likely going to go up a lot more percentage-wise than Bitcoin this cycle. Of course, that's great for anyone holding Kaspa, and because Marathon Digital keeps adding to their Kaspa bag, they could break away from the pack here, and others are going to be pressured to find another alternative to Bitcoin. Of course, mining Bitcoin can still be profitable. However, I know a lot of these companies right here want to diversify their streams of income, and Kaspa is a very safe bet to do so. If we look at the press release on Twitter from Marathon, we can see that they began to get interested in Kaspa in May 2023. After tracking it for months and setting up their equipment, they started mining in September of 2023 and purchased approximately 60 petahashes of KS3, KS5, and KS5 Pro to mine Kaspa. This is telling the public that they are bullish on Kaspa. They believe it's worth investing into mining equipment to start acquiring Kaspa cryptocurrency, and they are viewing it as a stable bet alongside Bitcoin. I cannot overstate how big I think this news is. I would not be surprised if Kaspa pumps quite a lot tomorrow as investors in the stock market digest this news and start to research this cryptocurrency. And if it doesn't happen in the next couple of days, I think Kaspa is breaking 20 cents in the next couple of weeks. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. I'd love to hear any questions you have or general thoughts surrounding this announcement, and I'd love to see you on some other videos around my channel. I hope you all have a great day. Peace out.